Hey there, did you know that you can actually make money online? Yep, that's right. All you need is a computer or a smartphone with internet access, and you're good to go. Whether you're looking to make a little side cash or you're serious about building a substantial income, the internet offers endless possibilities. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 10 websites where you can start making money online. And the best part, many of these opportunities allow you to work in your spare time, so there's no need to quit your 9-to-5 job. Sounds amazing, right? Let's dive right in. Active versus passive income. Before we get into the specifics, it's important to understand the two main ways of making money online: active income and passive income. Active income. This is where you trade your time for money. It's similar to a traditional job. You work, you get paid. If you don't work, you don't make money. Simple as that. Examples include freelancing, where you get paid per project or hour worked. Passive income. This is my personal favorite. With passive income, you do the work once, and the money keeps rolling in, even while you're sleeping. This could be through creating content, investing, or selling products that generate income long after the initial effort. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's explore these 10 websites where you can start making money online. First up, we have Upwork, a fantastic platform for freelancers. If you have a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, coding, or video editing, Upwork can help you turn that skill into cash. Businesses and individuals post projects on Upwork that they need help with, and freelancers like you can bid on these projects. The beauty of Upwork lies in its low barrier to entry. You don't need years of experience or fancy qualifications. Just be good at what you do. The more robust and polished your profile, the better your chances of landing jobs. Displaying your best work, highlighting your experience, and gathering client reviews can significantly boost your profile's visibility and credibility. Got a little tip: start small. Take on a few smaller projects to build your portfolio and gain positive reviews. As you establish yourself, you'll be able to bid on higher paying projects and grow your income over time. Number 2, YouTube. Passive income. Next on the list is YouTube, a platform that has turned countless individuals into millionaires. While it may seem daunting, starting a YouTube channel can be incredibly rewarding. But there's something you should know up front. To make money on YouTube, you first need to reach the platform's monetization threshold. This means accumulating 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within the last 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money through ads on your videos. The amount you can make varies, but it can range from a few dollars to thousands, depending on the number of views and the engagement your content generates. And here's the great thing about YouTube: it's a form of passive income. Create quality content, and it can continue to make money for you over time. Beyond ad revenue, YouTube also offers other monetization opportunities, such as paid sponsorships and affiliate marketing, which we'll cover later. If you're consistent and provide value to your audience, the sky's the limit. Number 3, Amazon. Active and passive income. Amazon is another powerful platform where you can earn money online, and it offers several avenues to do so. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Active income known as MTurk. This platform is similar to Upwork, where businesses outsource tasks that are too complex for computers to perform. This includes tasks like transcribing audio, editing content, testing websites, and more. The pay can range from a few dollars to $20 or $30 an hour, depending on the task. While it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, MTurk is a legitimate way to earn money for those who have some spare time. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Passive income. If you've ever dreamed of being an author, Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is for you. You can self-publish ebooks on Amazon and earn royalties every time someone buys your book. You don't need to be an established author or have a publishing deal to get started. Whether you write the book yourself or hire someone to do it for you, KDP allows you to make money from your ideas. The best part, it's a passive income stream. Once your book is published, it can keep earning money for years to come. Amazon Associates, passive income. This is Amazon's affiliate program, where you can earn commissions by promoting products sold on Amazon. After signing up, Amazon gives you a unique affiliate link to share. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale, typically between 5% and 10%. You can promote these products on your blog, YouTube channel, social media, or any other platform. It's a great way to generate passive income without creating your own products. Number 4. ClickBank. Passive income. ClickBank is a marketplace that connects product creators with affiliates who promote their products. Unlike Amazon, ClickBank focuses solely on digital products, such as ebooks, courses, and software. The beauty of ClickBank is that the commission rates are significantly higher, sometimes as much as 75% of the sale price. As an affiliate, you can sign up for free, choose a product to promote, and start earning commissions. The key to success on ClickBank is selecting products that resonate with your audience and providing honest, helpful recommendations. With the right strategy, you can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month. Number 5. Active Income. Flippa is the go-to marketplace for buying and selling online businesses. If you're good at building websites, apps, or e-commerce stores, Flippa provides a platform where you can sell your digital assets to the highest bidder. Alternatively, if you have some money to invest, you can buy established online businesses that are already making money. This can be a great way to jumpstart your online income without having to build something from scratch. Flippa operates like an auction, so you'll need to place bids and compete with others. But if you're strategic, you can land some great deals. Flippa is a great platform for those who are entrepreneurial and looking to expand their online portfolio. Whether you're buying or selling, there's potential to make significant money on Flippa. 6. Shutterstock. Passive income. If you have a knack for photography, videography, or music production, Shutterstock is an excellent platform to monetize your creativity. Shutterstock is a marketplace where freelancers can sell digital media, such as photos, videos, and music. Each time someone purchases one of your assets, you earn a commission. While the payouts per sale are usually small, a few cents to a few dollars, the key to success on Shutterstock is volume. The more high-quality content you upload, the more potential sales you can generate. To maximize your earnings, focus on creating content that's in demand. Do some research on popular trends and topics, and make sure your work is of the highest quality. Consistency is key. Keep uploading regularly, and over time, your portfolio can become a significant source of passive income. 7. Rover. Active income. Do you love dogs? If so, Rover is the perfect way to turn your passion for pets into a money-making venture. Rover is a platform that connects dog owners with dog sitters and walkers. If you live in the United States or Canada, you can sign up as a dog sitter and start earning money by taking care of other people's pets. The pay is quite attractive. You can make anywhere from $80 to $100 a night just by watching someone's dog. This can add up to hundreds of dollars a week, making it a lucrative side hustle for dog lovers. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding way to spend your time. Whether you're walking dogs or hosting them in your home, Rover allows you to make money while enjoying the company of furry friends. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding way to spend your time. Whether you're walking dogs or hosting them in your home, Rover allows you to make money while enjoying the company of furry friends. Number 8. Take Lessons. Active income. Everyone has a skill they can teach, and Take Lessons is a platform that allows you to do just that. Whether you're a musician, a language expert, a chef, or a math whiz, you can create lessons and get paid to teach others. Take Lessons allows you to offer both in-person and online classes, giving you the flexibility to teach from anywhere. The platform handles all the logistics, scheduling, payments, and communication, so you can focus on teaching. To get started, create a profile, set your rates, and start offering your services. The more experience and positive reviews you gain, the more you can charge for your lessons. It's a great way to share your knowledge and make money at the same time. Number 9. Fiverr. Active income. Fiverr is another popular freelancing platform where you can offer a wide range of services starting at just $5. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a video editor, or even a voiceover artist, there's likely a demand for your skills on Fiverr. What sets Fiverr apart is its simplicity. You create a gig for the service you want to offer, set your price, and wait for clients to place orders. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates and offer additional services, known as gig extras. Fiverr is a great platform for beginners because it's easy to get started, and there's a wide variety of services you can offer. Plus, the low starting price attracts a lot of buyers, giving you plenty of opportunities to land gigs and build your portfolio. Lastly, dropshipping, passive income. Last but not least, we have dropshipping, a business model where you sell products online without ever holding inventory. Here's how it works. You create an online store using platforms like Shopify, find products to sell using tools like Oberlo, and list those products on your store at a markup. When a customer places an order, you purchase the product from a supplier at a lower price, and the supplier ships it directly to the customer. You pocket the difference as profit. Dropshipping is appealing because it requires very little upfront investment, and you don't have to worry about managing inventory or shipping. However, it does require time and effort to set up your store, find reliable suppliers, and market your products. If you're interested in dropshipping, there are plenty of tutorials and courses available that can guide you through the process. With the right strategy, dropshipping can be a highly profitable business model. And there you have it, 10 websites where you can start making money online today. Whether you're looking for active income or passive income, there's something here for everyone. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. IT takes time, effort, and persistence. But with the right mindset and a willingness to learn, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.